Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and read everyone because I see to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity, halal life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Children is brought to you by Grade-VII Jasper.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Rahul. I am from Grade-VII Jasper. Here to update you with international and national news. International news. Pakistan new defense Asim Munir formally appointed as first chief defense force. International news. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi invited Russian President Putin for 2 days state visit, and the two leaders has a private dinner and discussion on trade, defense and technology. Thank you.
Regional news is brought to you by K.R. Sinanda. State news. Telangana contributes 4.32 lakh crore to nation. Gets just only 1.84 lakh crore from sender. Regional news. Madhya Pradesh celebrates success of cheetahs on International Cheetahs Day. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's sports news is brought to you by Arjun from Grade-VII Jasper. Out of favor pacer Mohammad Shami has given a strong strong message to BCCI and selectors by taking 4 wicket all. In the Ashes second test, Joe Root scored his first test century in Australia. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's weather report is brought to you by Mahesh of Grade-VII Jasper. Minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, precipitation 10%, humidity 59%, wind speed 14 km per hour, mostly cloudy. Thank you. This is the end of today's news bulletin.
Myself K.R. of Grade-VII Jasper. Now I am here to inspire with a thought. Your future depends on what you do today. I repeat it again. Your future depends on what you do today. It means that your actions will shape your tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya of Grade-VII Jasper. Today I am here to say today's new word, brilliant. It means very clever and smart. Friends, please spell after me. Brilliant. B-I-L-L-R-A-N-D. Brilliant. Thank you. Have a colorful day ahead.
Thank you everyone who are present in this assembly. I am Vamshi of Grade-VII Jasper. Now I am here to tell you about moral values. Now I want to ask you a question. Can anyone say what is compass of our life? Yes, you pick the right answer. And the answer is moral values. Moral values are the guideposts of our life. They include qualities like honesty, trust, empathy, and self-discipline. They are not just words. They are the guideposts which help us to become good human beings and responsible citizens. In this era, we face many challenges, competition, and pressure to score well marks in exams and aim successful future. But the truth is, success without strong moral value is nothing. A person with a talent but not with moral values lose its true worth. And let's think about honesty for a few minutes. Honesty is being truthful, is being true to everyone. Truth is trust, which builds trust. Trust is the foundation of all relationships, such as friendship, parents, and family. And a honest person can inspire many others. And now I am going to talk about kindness. Kindness means helping others. We will not remember the marks we score in exams, but we remember the kindness we have given to others when they are in difficult moments. A small smile or a small help can change someone's life forever. And being gratitude. You should be gratitude to your parents, teachers, and friends, because without them we are not here. You should be gratitude to them. Gratitude means being kind or being grateful to them, such as if some friend is helping you with some work, you should also help him with some work. And next comes respect. Respect is also important. We should respect our friends, teachers, everyone. How we want to treat it. We want to be treated in good manners. So we have to treat others also in good manners. And next comes responsibility. Responsibility means taking part of something. It not only includes improving our skills, but it also inspires many others to do the same thing. For example, you have to take responsibility of volunteer, such as cleaning or making other discipline. And thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Tagore from Grade-VII Jasper. Question for Grade-VII. What is the opposite of telling lies? Yes, you picked the right answer. And answer is honest. Question for Grade. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Which value teaches us to respect our elders? Yes, you picked the right answer. And answer is respect. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which value teaches us to not to hurt others? Yes, you picked the right answer. And answer is non-violence. Let us appreciate them. Open questions. Which value teaches us to understand other feeling? Yes, you picked the right answer. And answer is empathy. Second question. Let us appreciate them. Second question. Saying sorry for a mistake is part of which value? I repeat it again. Saying sorry for a mistake is which moral value? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And answer is humility. Thank you. Have a nice day.